go to Sacramento County now, where deputies are no longer responding to non-criminal mental health calls. It's a policy that went into effect last month following a federal court decision. Tonight, a review commission came together to discuss the change, but one key player wasn't there.
Yeah, the policy change is something you saw first here on CBS 13, and we've been asking questions about it now for weeks. Your reporter covering Sacramento County, Madisen Keavy, has the latest questions and the no-show tonight. Madisen, what can you tell us about it?
Well, this is the same oversight committee and commission that we were at last month, where we learned about that new policy change. The difference, though, between then and now is tonight there was no representative from the sheriff's office present for this meeting. And they told us it was because they've already presented their points on the policy and it's already in effect to both the board as well as to individuals. Of course, in the meeting tonight, though, there was disappointment from many who thought it would be more of a collaborative discussion.
Not happy to share that they chose not to attend tonight.
The Sacramento County Sheriff's Office is not required to attend this monthly meeting of the Sheriff Community Review Commission. But as the board chair told CBS 13, there were hopes a representative would be there to discuss on a night when the department's new policy not to respond to non-criminal mental health calls was at the center of the agenda and public concerns.
If we can't trust them not to use excessive force on a mental health call, how can we trust them not to use excessive force on any other call?
The commission was created to provide oversight on the sheriff's policies and procedures. They don't have direct policy power, but they can make recommendations. Sheriff Jim Cooper addressed his authority in a press conference earlier this month.
Being mentally ill is not a crime, but yet we're being here, being forced to be there and be that person. And I'm at the point, as sheriff elected, enough's enough. I get to make the decision.
Where our crews are at risk that are responding to incidents, and the community is not able to receive the care that we want to provide for them based off this new policy change.
The fire department can respond, as well as we now have county wellness response teams who operate 24/7 who can respond. Neither one of them will respond if the sheriff's department cannot be there to protect them.
To Sac Metro Fire with concerns, we brought you first. New in this meeting, Fire brought in the numbers of mental health calls where they requested sheriff backup. From February 6th to last night, 96 calls. Fire called for sheriff in 21 of those, and they only responded to 7.
They all present a challenge for us and really a safety factor for the community that's going to, at some point, either really hurt or get somebody killed.
A powerful perspective there from the impacts of this. And we learned tonight that there's confusion from those first responders, firefighters, even from the mental health community on how this is being interpreted and playing out as far as this new policy goes. So the call to action tonight from the commission is to get in with the county legal team and really get a better understanding of this federal ruling and how it applies here in Sacramento County.
And Madisen, so many times when agencies make a change, they look and see another agency perhaps doing it and saying, well, it's worked for them. But Sacramento County, as you've talked about, is the only agency doing this, correct?
Tony, that's right. Still the only agency doing this, not just in our region, but in the state. Tonight, also from this meeting, we learned there was a third-party legal firm that took a look at it and believes that perhaps the Sacramento County Sheriff's Office has misinterpreted that federal court ruling. So this is going to be something that, of course, we continue to follow. And it's really right now up to interpretation, which is likely why we're only seeing Sacramento County do this.